Hello, hello. Are you growing an accounting firm which burns you out? It just isn't sustainable because you're working too many hours, and in order to increase revenues means that you have to work harder, serve more clients, and you just have no more left to give. I'm Loren Fogelman with Business Success Solution, and I just want to say growing an accounting firm which burns you out is not sustainable. Maybe you feel successful because you're like totally busy, you're all maxed out, but there's a price to pay. And this is often a symptom of organic growth where you just don't define your destiny. And as a result, you aimlessly wander. What do I mean? A client asks you to do something, even if it's out of scope of what you would normally do, you say yes to all requests. It isn't very efficient with your time, and it's not very effective as far as your expertise and industry knowledge goes. And when this happens, where you're saying yes to all requests, that's when your clients are in charge of your firm and you're just taking direction from them. So some want you to go in this way, some want you to go in that way. You are spread thin all over the place. Because of that, there is a solution. And I'm talking about this because it is so common for firm owners to do this because they are client-centered. They want to serve their clients and have them be happy. But I want to encourage you to really take charge of this coming year. I want you to look at ways to strategically grow your firm so it's growing in a way that supports your quality life instead of sucking the life out of you. And I'm not talking about the traditional, boring, long business plan, because let's just face it, when you do that type of work and planning, after you've done it, you just virtually save it in the back of your virtual filing cabinet. You're not looking at it because it's not inspiring. So I want you to be able to come up with something that really is going to motivate you. It's aligned with what you do. If you accomplish these things, you know you're going to be well on the path to having your dream firm. So get out a spreadsheet and take a couple of notes. First, I want you to think about reviewing your past year. What were some of the wins, because you deserve to celebrate? And I know that there were so many wins tucked into what you did. And also, there were setbacks. That's true for all of us. In fact, I find that I grow more because of the setbacks. They're tough learning lessons. And sometimes insights come from that too. But without self-criticism, I want you to just look at the list, the wins, as well as the setbacks, and see what insights you can gain from that list. Next, I want you to go ahead and dream. How will you define your aspirations? What would put you on the path to your dream firm? And not like the big 5 or 10 year plan. I'm talking about 12 months. Take charge of the next 12 months. So think about what would you love to achieve over the next 12 months, which you know will put you right on course for where you want to go. And think about boundaries. Where would you end up getting sidetracked? Would there be something that hijacks you from focusing on your plan and working your plan? Would it be people? Who are the people that actually might be dragging you down? It could be people that are you're serving. It could be people that are on your team. It could be people that you're connected to socially, but there's probably some people that create drag in different ways. And also, who are the people that would lift you up, that are supportive, that would cheer you on, that you need on your team, because this might be something that you can't do all on your own. So think about that. Who are the people that would drag you down, as well as the ones that would lift you up and are totally on board. And the other thing to look at is the places. So where are you showing up that is aligned with where you want to go? And where are the places that you're showing up where it is just a time suck? It is not the best use of your time. So think about that. And the next thing would be the things. What are the things that you're doing that are moving you forward and very much on task? And what are the things you're doing that, once again, maybe momentarily they solve a problem or they serve a client, but they're really, once again, taking you down that rabbit hole. They're not helping you move forward in a way that's very, very strategic. So those are some of the things I want you to think about, is come up with what you learned from last year, the celebrations as well as the setbacks, where it is that you want to go over the next 12 months, and think about those people, those places, those things. And I want to say, having that all mapped out, even if you don't know all the how-to tasks right now, it's okay. It's going to help you stay clearer, more focused than organic growth, where you're just saying yes to all things and all requests. So we want you to be on your path of 2024. It does reduce the burnout. It's more sustainable. And if that interests you, you want more insights about it, then join my upcoming complimentary webinar on how to make 2024 your best year ever in order to increase your market share and raise your profit margin. It's on Wednesday, October 11th at 4 p.m. Eastern, 1 o'clock p.m. It is Pacific. It is a complimentary masterclass. Please carve out the time to join me. And this is a way to be working on your business in order to make 2024 your best year ever. The details are at businesssuccesssolution.com/year. Clarity about your firm influences everything you do. It is similar to like the beacon sitting on top of the lighthouse. So once again, join me on October 11th to make 2024 your best year ever. businesssuccesssolution.com/year to get registered. Loren Fogelman, showing accounting firm owners how to double their income working half the time.